Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing some packing. We actually move tomorrow, so this is the last day of packing before we move house. Both of my girls are staying with grandparents tonight, and so I just started in their room, dismantling their beds and basically packing up their entire room. I just washed the carpets, and so because they're all wet I didn't want to put the mattresses on top of the wet carpets, so I've just put them in there where the carpet's dry underneath for now. But that's a room done. So all of this stuff that I'm using to package everything in is basically stuff that I've kept from packages that have come to the house. I always just keep my packaging, it just comes in really handy, and especially when I was packing up the house I actually didn't have to buy any kind of packaging things. I only brought boxes, and everything else I used was stuff that I've just kept from our own packages that have come to the house.
Gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. And I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly.
Okay, kitchen is done. It is very weird seeing it all this empty. But yeah, I'm gonna go on to one of the other rooms now.
To your eyes, I see we're out of time. I guess no one's to blame, nobody crossed the line. I guess we couldn't see, somehow we couldn't feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high. But
This one?
Yeah, I know going
We're gonna go out this way.
Go out this way.
Yeah.
I'm going this way. I'm going in the lounge.
You're going in the lounge. Okay.
I'm in.
Oh, good boy.
No, wait.
So pretty much done with Wee Man's room now. Emptied this out. So yeah, the only thing to do tomorrow is pack up the bed, but he needs to sleep in that tonight, so leaving it for tonight. And yeah, on to another room. So that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and make sure to come back to watch the next one. The next video is going to be our moving video.